Introduce short overview by pictures of robot vacuum Cleaner-NGTeco 2500Pa suction self-charging robotic vacuums works in Wi-Fi connection, voice control. Most importantly, honest reviews from people who have already bought it and review rating. And because we are affiliated with Amazon, which if considered from the reliability, you will get acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews. In description below is outstanding features with illustrations and descriptions. If you are searching for NGTeco 2500Pa suction self-charging robotic vacuums, it is recommended that you do not miss it. But, if you think there are not enough details, you want NGTeco 2500Pa suction self-charging robotic vacuums more details? If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.